Hey guys, this is a brand new video and the first product unboxing video on this channel. This is Avik. I'm the Nomad Cyclist and thank you for being here today. Alright, so पहले बता देता हूँ, this is not a sponsored video. This is what I have purchased from Amazon, and since I'm more of a night rider, you need to be very old to get that reference. Since I ride mostly in the nights, one of the most important things that I need to ride, apart from my bike, is a good headlight. ये बहुत बार हो चुका है कि at midway the light has stopped working, and especially since I ride mostly in these situations, it's very important that my light survives or I won't. These are some of the glimpses that has happened because my light died and I almost did too. So it was very important that I get a good light for my bike, and with about, like, when I say good light, it means that for me it needs to last for at least 3 to 4 hours. So अगर मैं 12 या 1 बजे भी शुरू करता हूँ, so at least sunrise तक the headlight survives and like helps me see through what I'm riding on. And उसके वजह से I got this package आज ही, and I'm excited. The reviews were amazing. It's quite heavy, so I don't think it's a very flimsy light. And another thing, the light, the clamp needs to be like super solid. कोई rubber band वाला अगर मैं light use करता हूँ and it like flops while I'm riding on a bumpy road, so it's crazy. So I would need a light that lasts for a long time. B, it needs to be steady. So I hope this does justice to both the things. So let's see. So here's the package, here's the knife, and let's rip it through. Yeah, let's be a little gentle about this. The box is pretty solid. So it even says professional bicycle lights. And this is supposed to be a combo deal with headlights and tail lights. I'm pretty happy with the box. It's super strong. We got this charging cable, and it's a Type C. Usually what we see are Type Bs or the older USBs, and since most products have moved to type, like mobiles and everything, so it's always convenient to have Type C chargers. So amazing, good job. Okay, so there are 2 user manuals, like it's just the same. Wow, so I get like 2 charging cables. So this is the older Type B USB cable. I believe that's for the tail light, and the Type C for the headlight. Tail light, and I don't know if this has any charge for me to light it on. Let's see. Okay, so we can change modes by clicking on this. 1, 2, 3, 4 modes, and on and off. Interesting. An Allen key. This is like a, it's like a buffer bracket. So if you don't want this to slip around, you can wrap this around the handle and then wrap the rubber band tight. So it's something like this. And for the headlight, for the main item of the day, whoa, this is heavy. That's the charging port. Yep, the Type C charging port. I guess this is the switch. So Whoa, holy shit. Okay, it's a totally lit room, and it's you can get an idea of how crap bright this is. And oh, this is warm. It's getting hotter on my hand. Crap, I can feel it heating my hand up. Low, 300 lumens. This is medium for 550 lumens. This is high with 700 lumens. This is lightly for 185 lumens. And I can feel the change in temperature on my palm. Like crap, that's crazy. And that's off. Flash modes, press and hold the power button. And okay, so that's a flash mode. Press again for a slower. Okay, so the two flash modes and four uh, complete like light mode. A strong clamp for this, not a rubber band. That click, so it's locked. You cannot pull it out. Press, slide it out. Put this on the handlebar, then slide the light in. Good stuff. It's a little big. I would have preferred something which would have been a little smaller, probably like by an inch or inch and a half. So something of this size would have been amazing. But I guess if I need powerful lights and a light which stays on for a longer time, the battery needs to be bigger, and we need something bigger and heavier. Okay, so the tail light and the headlight both are being charged now, and I don't think they'll take 4 hours since they already had some charge. I'm expecting the red lights to turn green or something once they are charged, so let's see in some time. Okay, so it's been about an hour and a half, and the red light on this has turned off, and this has turned green, so I believe they are charged. Now test them. Okay, so we are at this dark lane, and let's test the light. This is low, medium, high. Still like an ambient light, and that's it. So the light's pretty strong, even with the low intensity. Now let's see the tail light. That's a strong tail light. Like I'm taking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, and like 15 steps away from the bike, and it's still like glowing pretty good. So yeah, all in all, I really love the lights. Even with the low setting, which is supposed to last for around 7 hours, that's a lot of light. And by any chance, if you have a power cut at your place, I'll just drop the link, the Amazon link. It's not an affiliation link, so if you want to buy it, buy it. If you don't want to buy it, your call. I'm super stoked with the lights, and I'll recommend the lights. So go ahead, get the lights, and have an amazing and safe night ride. See you in the next video.